Welcome. This is a new quick tutorial for a new hot feature that we have available already in Badvisor. Normally, you would open your scene and go through your outliner and add all the nodes that you want to work with. You can still do that through the outliner as always. However, now you can go directly to elements, and here you have a bigger and better view of all the nodes, and you can either double-click or drag and drop the node into your scene. You can always use the search bar to find your node faster. Same as before, you can also hold Ctrl on your keyboard and use the mouse wheel to make the elements and nodes bigger or smaller. When you click back to the outliner, all the nodes are going to be in the same structure as before, so there are no changes in that. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and have fun with this new feature. Thank you for watching.